Hi guys, I'm Dacey Cash. I accepted Almay's challenge to create a no makeup look in under 5 minutes. So let's see if I can do it. Go. Okay, foundation. This is the Almay Smart Shade, and it goes, well, it squares out white, but it actually blends in and matches my skin perfectly. This is really nice. You can just put it on your finger and then it blends in and it's really moisturizing too. Okay, concealer.
4 minutes and 30 seconds left.
This also squirts out white and then matches your skin tone too. So I'm just gonna put this under the eyes using my fingers. Just blend it out to cover any dark circles and also to, my hands are shaking, also to cover some pimples.
4 minutes left.
Okay, I'm blended.
Brow pencil flying in.
Okay, brows. This, I gotta brush through them, make sure they're good. First thing, most importantly, cover the bald spot I have in my brows.
Hey Dacey, 3.5 minutes left.
This brow pencil is really nice because it kind of has like a bunch of different shapes on it. So you can pick the thickness you want to draw on. And I'm just using the spoolie to really brush through. Okay, brows look good. Okay, highlight. I'm using this one. It's really cool. It's dual-ended, so you have like a stick on one end.
3 minutes to go.
Okay, I'm using the stick side. I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna blend it out with my fingers. Makes you look super dewy and pretty. I'm also gonna put some right here, down the bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, blend it in with your fingers.
Mascara, here you go.
Okay, this is mascara. I'm gonna put this on the top and the bottom lashes. Mascara is super important. This stuff builds really well and looks really nice and thick. So I'm just gonna like put that on the lower lashes too. Just put it on the apples of my cheeks. Cute, okay. Blush, just gonna dip into it. Pop that on the apples of my cheeks. Lip gloss. My hands are all sorry. Okay. Lip gloss. Okay, I'm done. What's my time?
Your time was 3 minutes and 55 seconds? That's amazing.
Oh my gosh, yes, I beat the challenge. What do I win now? Free Almay for the rest of my life? All right guys, so this is the finished look, and you saw I created this whole look in under 5 minutes, and I did everything: foundation, concealer, mascara, highlight, brows, and blush. Now I just have a little bit more of a polished, put together look, and I feel like it's perfect for these upcoming warm months. I did the challenge in under 4 minutes. What do you think you could get? Comment below with your challenge time because I really want to know. I had so much fun doing this challenge. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Almay's channel. Bye.